Greetings everyone, welcome to week 4. So our focus for week 4 is the ISTE Standard Knowledge Constructor, which means that students can gather knowledge themselves, that they know where to look, that they know what information is accurate information, and that they can gather the knowledge they need to learn. Before we have class, you're going to watch the 4 videos on the ISTE Knowledge Constructor, and then you're going to do a media literacy choice board. In class, we're going to talk a little bit more about choice boards and how they support this ISTE standard of knowledge constructor. And then I'm going to have you start planning one. And I'm going to actually put you into breakout rooms and conference one-on-one with you about your ideas. And then after class, you're going to do a Slack discussion on media literacy. And then you're going to create a choice board. And we'll have started that choice board in class. So you'll just be finishing it outside of class. All right, so for ISTE Knowledge Constructor, you're going to watch the videos and then take notes and either type your notes or take a picture and submit that to Blackboard. Okay, so here we are in Blackboard. If you go to week 2 to 6, week 4 Knowledge Constructor, the first task is the ISTE Knowledge Constructor. You'll watch the videos, take notes, and submit. This is the assignment where you'll submit the notes, and then these are the videos. Okay, and again, so many amazing ideas in these videos. So I really hope that you are, in fact, watching the videos. Then you're going to do the media literacy choice board. And so Blackboard's going to prompt you to make a copy of the slide deck. This will be your slide deck now. And you're going to be acting as the student using this choice board. You'll complete the activities and then you'll submit either a link to your Blackboard or you can directly submit the Google slide deck to Blackboard. The second task is the media literacy choice board, which I'm going to show you. So you'll click on this link and then it's going to prompt you to make a copy. So you'll be making your own copy. You complete the activities. By watching this video, you have a better understanding. And then you'll either get a share link and submit the link, or you can submit the slide deck into Blackboard. When you make a copy of the choice board, this is what it's going to look like. So the directions are on the first slide. So you can see it says step 1, you're going to review 2 of these resources. So you'll click on the link and review 2 of them. Step 2, complete slide 2 media literacy facts. So you'll go to slide 2 and you'll define media literacy in your own words and you'll answer this question in these 2 boxes. And just make sure, again, you're using your own words. We wouldn't want to copy from one of the resources because that would be plagiarism. Then step 3 is to choose one create activity. So you have a choice: create an infographic, create a digital poster, create an Insta story, or create a mind map. And this is interesting. So when I do this, I put the directions in what we call the gray space. So the directions are off to the side outside of the slide deck. That's a great place to put directions for students because the slide is where they're going to be building. This is like their virtual poster board. So the directions for what they're going to do are here. So you're just going to choose one. You're going to choose an infographic, a poster, an Insta story, or a mind map. And those are completely your choice. They're worth the same amount of points. We'll meet for class again this Wednesday, April 7th from 5:30 to, oh, that date is wrong, excuse me. We'll meet again this Wednesday from 5:30 to 6:30. The date is April 14th, not April 7th, my apologies. And again, we'll be looking at choice boards. After class, you're going to do a Slack thread on media literacy. So you'll do your original post by 11:59 p.m. and then you'll comment on 2 classmates' posts by Sunday at 11:59. The third task is the media literacy Slack discussion. So I've invited you to a Slack discussion thread called Media Literacy. You should already be a member of it. And you're going to post a lesson idea by Friday. So that lesson idea can come from either the ISTE videos or it can come from the choice board. But you're going to submit a lesson idea and then you're going to comment comment on 2 classmates' lesson ideas by Sunday. And then you're going to create a choice board. So your choice board needs to have at least 6 activities for students to choose from. There are directions on Blackboard, but I will be reviewing these directions in class as well. And the fourth and final task is to create a choice board. And again, we will start this in class on Wednesday, and I'll be working with you individually to help you with your idea. But you're going to think of a lesson or a concept or a topic that you want students to explore more, and you're going to give them at least 6 different choices. And I want you to think of these different ideas. So you saw in my media literacy one that there were 3 steps. So I'd like you to use either read, discuss, or write, or learn, then create, or explore, then create. Because we want it to be more than just reading and exploring. We want them to do something with the knowledge that they've constructed. Okay, so either read, discuss, write, learn, then create, or explore, then create. And again, I'll go over this in class on Wednesday. And you're just going to submit a link to your choice board in the right submission box. Your choice board can be a Google Doc, it can be a Google Slide, but it does need to be digital. It could also be a Padlet, it could be a Google site. If you know how to use Google Sites, there's a lot of different ways that you could do your choice board. And that's it for week 4. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.